Good morning, students. I hope you all good at home. Now, students, we will start our chapter with thought. Thought is, I am not telling you it's going to be easy. I am telling you it's going to be worth it. What is the thought of the day is, I am not telling you it is going to be easy. I am telling you it is going to be worth it. I hope you all understand the things. It is not easy, but you are able to collect the all the things, get the all the things. So look your head high, smile, open your book, page number 102. Student, in previous video, we taught about pollution, what is the word environment. So again, before starting the chapter, revise two words, pollution. What does a pollution means? Pollution is an act of making the environment dirty is called pollution. Okay? Pollution is the act of making the environment dirty is called pollution. Got it? And word environment. Environment means the surrounding in which non-living things and living things live together. We call it environment. So today we will start our chapter with different types of pollution. Different type of pollution, everybody know this. Land pollution, water pollution, air pollution and noise pollution. So our chapter start from land pollution. Land pollution occur due to human activities such as dumping waste on land, throwing away things made up of plastic on the land, etc. You know, student, waste of two type, garbage of two type. First is biodegradable and second is non-biodegradable. What is the word means? Biodegradable means things easily mix with the soil. वो थिंग्स जो आसानी से सॉइल में मिक्स हो जाते हैं, वी कॉल इट द बायोडिग्रेडेबल. नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल मीन्स थिंग्स डज नॉट mix in the soil. For example, plastic. Okay, so land pollution occurs when we are throwing away things made up of plastic on the land and we throw the waste on the open areas. This occur the land pollution. Student, overflowing garbage dump are the places where most of the disease causing germs are born. So student, to control land pollution, we should, what we do for the control the land pollution? First is throw garbage in proper dustbin and not in the open. Second, reduce the amount of garbage created by reusing plastic, paper, etc. So, reduce the amount of garbage and make new things by the plastic, paper and all the things. Okay, and now some garbage convert into manure. Student, second is water pollution. So what is the water pollution? Water gets polluted when harmful chemicals from factories, animal excreta, garbage, etc. How it will occur? It will occur when harmful chemicals. So student, word is chemical. What it means? It means a substances means elements that is used or produced in a chemical process. जब हम substances को as a chemical use करते हैं, for example, it is very simple example. मिल्क में यूज किया जाता है न्यूट्रलाइजर। न्यूट्रलाइजर क्या होता है? न्यूट्रलाइजर मिल्क को सॉर नहीं करता, खट्टा नहीं करता है, इसलिए उसको केमिकल को मिक्स किया जाता है, जो हमारे जो मिल्क आता है, होम में मिल्क आता है, उसमें मिलाया जाता है उससे। तो बहुत सारे ऐसे केमिकल्स हैं जो यूज़ किए जाते हैं, कलर बनाने में यूज़ किए जाते हैं, जब क्लॉथ्स बनाए जाते हैं उसमें केमिकल्स यूज़ किए जाते हैं। तो स्टूडेंट्स, जो केमिकल, जो हार्मफुल केमिकल्स हैं फ्रॉम फैक्ट्रीज, उन्हें क्या जाता है, मिक्स क्या कर दिया जाता है वाटर के अंदर। वी कैन फॉल सीरियसली इल इफ वी ड्रिंक पॉल्यूटेड वाटर। Polluted water also harm the plants and animals living in water. So water is very harmful because we all drink the water. To control water pollution, we should, what we do for this? How we control the water pollution? Prevent harmful substances from flowing into water bodies. First of all, prevent. What we prevent? Prevent substances from flowing into water bodies. It means very simple, don't throw garbage in the water. Okay, now move on next please. Then not throw waste materials into water. Not throw waste material. So student, we should always boil water before drinking or use water filter to get rid of the germ present in water. But animals did not do this. So we control water, some steps taken by us. Okay, now air pollution. Air pollution is occur when smoke from vehicles and factories come. When smoke from vehicles and factories make the air polluted, we may face breathing problem if we live in a place with polluted air. We face some problems when we breathe in with smoke. So, to control air pollution, we should first reduce the use of vehicles so that less amount of smoke goes into air. Now then, treat the smoke coming out from industries so that they become less harmful, and then not burn garbage in the open, as this will add to air pollution. Plant more trees. This is a very simple way to control the air pollution. Plant more tree. Okay, and now then is next second important thing is not burn garbage in the open area. Stop this and reduce the use of vehicles. Okay, now noise pollution. Very loud noise causes noise pollution. To control noise pollution, we should not burn firecrackers with very loud noise. It means burn the firecrackers with simple noise. Okay. Second, not use loudspeakers, not honk unnecessary. कई लोग हॉर्न बजाते हैं ना, तो नॉट honk unnecessary, जरूरत नहीं तो हॉर्न बजाने की जरूरत नहीं होती है, तो स्टॉप दिस. So student, noise pollution, very loud noise causes noise pollution. We control it by not burning firecrackers with very loud noise and not use loudspeakers, not honk unnecessary. So student, it's very simple. In this chapter, we are studying about pollution, 4 types of pollution in our book: land pollution, water pollution, air pollution and noise pollution, and then what is the reason behind it, and then what we do for throwing this, what we do way to reduce pollution. Okay student, I hope you all understand the things. Thank you so much, beta.